So we'll see how you can use the PACS or picture archival and communication systems in LiveHealth. This allows you to streamline your radiology workflow so that you can combine your RIS and storage systems together, and you can store all your scans in the cloud automatically. Also allow automatic data transfer from your RIS to the machines. We'll see what is the workflow of the LiveHealth PACS system. So first, you need to register the patient in the system. Once you register the patient, all the data will be automatically transferred to the machine worklist. So you don't need to enter the patient data again in the machine. Then once the patient scanning is done, the scans will be automatically transferred to the PACS system, and then you can assign the study to the doctor. The doctor can see the study and enter the results. So let's see all the steps in the system. From the registration page in LiveHealth, where you can register the patient. So I'll enter the details of the patient, enter the age, click on register and bill. Here I enter the name of the scan which they want to do and bill the patient. I can then receive. Once I receive, it automatically shows up in the waiting list for the PACS. So this data waiting list will be automatically transferred to the machine. You don't need to enter the patient details again, and it will automatically shown in the machine. Once the scan is done, in the studies section, you will see the studies which have been completed. Here you can see the ones which are green have been transferred to the cloud, and I can see the study over here and open the study in cloud. If I go here in the waiting list in operation section of LiveHealth, I can see the patient data over here. Once the study has been transferred to the cloud, you can see the study for the patient over here. I can see a link over here, and if I open that, I can see the study in the DICOM viewer directly from here. I can also assign study to a doctor. So the technician can assign the study to whichever doctor, and that doctor will be able to see that study in his login. So if I him on the doctor's login in LiveHealth, when I log in, I can see the studies assigned to the doctor. So if I'm logged in as a doctor, I can see the studies which have been assigned to me over here, and I can open that study by using this option, and I can directly click on this button to open the DICOM viewer. In the DICOM viewer, I can see the scans automatically over here, and I can use the DICOM viewer to annotate and mark angles. And once I have annotated, I can attach the image from here. Okay, and also I can download the image. So if I want to print, I can download and print the image from here itself. I can define the quality and the height and width of the image from here. And once I've done that, I can then finally, whichever images I want to attach, I can then attach images to the report. So once I have attached the images to the report, if I come back to the patient view, I can see the images which have been attached, and I can see those images over here, and I can write the clinical findings over here. So whatever findings you have, you can write those in the report over here and save the report. This is how the doctor can use his login, and any place he can see the reports, fill the interpretation. Because all the data is stored in the cloud, this data is accessible anywhere as long as they have internet connection.